Welcome to Hollywood Extreme, your ultimate destination for all things Hollywood. From blockbuster movie reviews to the latest news, behind-the-scenes scoops, and in-depth features on your favorite stars, we bring you closer to the world of cinema like never before. Whether you're a movie buff, a pop culture fanatic, or just love staying updated with the entertainment world, we've got something for everyone. So, grab your popcorn, hit that subscribe button, and dive into the glitz and glamour of Tinseltown with us. Today, we are diving into the exhilarating world of action movie blockbusters and making our predictions for 2025. Buckle up, because these insights are sure to get your adrenaline pumping. First up, let's talk trends. The action genre is evolving, and 2025 is set to bring some exciting changes. The rise of superhero fatigue.
Son of a gun.
He's not slowing down.
With audiences looking for fresh flavors of action, the era of capes and tights might be waning. Movies like The Batman and Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3 still have their fan base, but viewers are hungry for something different.
Subscribe this channel ZK Studio.
फेंका मुझ पर चुप करो
Nostalgia's return. Classic franchises are making a comeback. Think Indiana Jones, Jurassic World, and Top Gun. These films are being modernized for new audiences while keeping the essence that made them iconic. New genres. We are seeing the rise of unique subgenres. Films like Everything Everywhere All at Once blend action with sci-fi, comedy, and even drama, creating fresh cinematic experiences.
Upon being linked to a headset, Evelyn sees an overview of important moments from her existence. Her father's disappointment at having a daughter, meeting Waymond, her family renouncing her for marrying him, shopping for the laundromat, and having joy. Alpha Waymond explains that each decision creates a new parallel universe and that they may be enriched.
Highly anticipated sequels. Get ready for the continuation of beloved franchises. Mission Impossible 8 and John Wick 5 promise more mind-blowing stunts and unexpected plot twists. What will Ethan Hunt's next mission be? How will John Wick's story unfold? The spin-off boom.
Why not?
Because I'm being followed.
What do you mean? By who?
How do I know? CIA, apostles, what difference does it make?
Okay, just get out of there and then go right.
I am terribly sorry. Excuse me. Why is he running in circles?
Studios are expanding their universes. Look out for Fast Furious Presents, Hobbs Shaw 2 and The Matrix, Origins. These films introduce new characters and stories within familiar worlds. Reboots and revivals.
A lot. One thing has become perfectly clear.
Stay away from my sister.
Your sister? You still on that?
You know
Come
what?
on, dude.
I want to forget this.
Allow me to reinforce.
I don't have many friends at all. The ones I do have.
He's got no impulse control. He's unable to calculate the consequences of his actions.
Oh, H to the OB.
Like you, I'm grateful to have.
Reimagined classics are on the horizon. Die Hard, Reborn and Terminator, Genesis aim to bring fresh perspectives while paying homage to their legendary predecessors.
Your father never wanted you to see this. Come with me if you want to live.
Independent studios and emerging directors. Fresh voices are shaking up the genre. Indie films like Guns Akimbo and Upgrade showcase creativity and originality. Focus on practical effects and stunt work. Filmmakers are opting for realistic action sequences over CGI spectacles. Expect more films like Mad Max, Fury Road and Atomic Blonde, where every punch feels real. The rise of global action cinema.
Welcome to Berlin. I'm David.
International markets are making their mark. Films like The Raid and Bahubali are bringing diverse perspectives and breathtaking action to a global audience. The streaming wars.
आगे आइए, कोई बात नहीं, आप जाइए।
आओ आओ, जल्दी जल्दी आओ। पीछे अभी बहुत लोग बाकी हैं। इसके बाद तुम। ये सब बंदी बना लो इसे।
देवसेना, क्या तुम्हें अपने अपराध के बारे में कुछ
कड़ियां पहना दी गई और पहले ही निर्णय हो चुका है कि
High-budget action films are now a battleground for streaming services. Netflix, Red Notice and Amazon's Without Remorse are just the beginning. Original action series. Streaming exclusive content is on the rise. Series like The Mandalorian and The Boys are redefining the action genre for small screens. The future of action. Emerging technologies like virtual reality and interactive storytelling are set to revolutionize the way we experience action films. Imagine being part of the action in ways we've never seen before. To recap, 2025 is shaping up to be an epic year for action movies. From superhero fatigue to the rise of indie action thrillers, the future looks bright and explosive. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cinematic journeys just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.